I am doing a wig review on this here bad boy. This is the Alpine by Model. They are touting it as Peruvian hair, but we all know for 30-40 bucks you are not getting Peruvian hair, but it is the synthetic version and it's really nice. This wig is actually in the color OM99J. I'm not sure if you can see all the beautiful reds and red tone that's in there. I'm trying to pull it out in the light, but it is quite gorgeous, the color, but it's also toned down at the same time. We're not talking about a bright red and burgundy mix. This is like a chocolate, but when the sun kisses you, you get that red effect. It's very, very pretty, and I think it is going to be wonderful on all skin tones. I actually wore this wig today to work, and my office is 2 steps away from where the CEO's office is, and they're actually giving me compliments, and I work for a Fortune 500 company, and so it was not offensive or loud or anything like that. It's really pretty. It's toned, but it's a pop. They knew I was a rebel when I walked in there. But anyway, this hair is also very nice for date night. It's light, it's airy. I did not do this video showing off the cap construction first, and the only reason is because this is, I mean, in this day and age, everybody knows what the inside of the wig looks like, right? It's the typical, what you are now getting, what the manufacturers of all these wigs are now doing. You've got 2 combs in the front, and in this case, the combs are positioned on each side. Why did I struggle with that word? The combs are positioned on each side of the part. So you got one here and one here. Then you got one comb in the back, and you've got the adjustable straps. It is a stretch cap. It is a good density. It's probably around 150 to 160 in terms of how thick it is. But even with the thickness, it's still light and airy enough to wear. It's really, in terms of hair, synthetic hair, it's really nice. It feels silky, but it's not overwhelmingly shiny. I did put in some, just because I wanted it to lay a little flatter, I used the Optima Amla Legend rejuvenating oil. I just took a little, just like a dime sized, rubbed it in, and took it down, and that's why it's a little shine on here, but the hair is not overly shiny, and it's just overall, I think it's just a great wig. Oh, let me show you. I know what y'all want. Y'all want the part. You want the part, don't you? Hold on. Okay, so here is the part. Right now, I did go in and pluck it out just a little bit, and I filled it in with a bit of concealer. I pulled my own hair out just a tad bit around the sides because I have a big forehead. See? And I like my little baby hairs, so I did do that, and it gives it just a little bit more of a natural feel there. You can wear this hair, you can wear the part wherever you want. You can, move it to the middle, which is where I would typically wear my parts, because I like the trailer trash part in the middle, but I chose to, be a tad bit sexy today, and I always feel sexy when I have my hair to the side. It is, again, one of those wigs that if you wanted to pull it up off of your neck and wear it in a little messy bun, it works very well, because you've got this automatic little flip here. That's, it's really cute and it's easy to do. You throw a couple of pins in there and you are ready to go, honey. See that? Ready to go? Let me give it to you this way also. Over the shoulder. Over the shoulder. She's bad. You see? Okay, here is the back of the wig. I hope it's looking as nice as I hope it looks. And I got it from wigtypes.com. a couple of weeks ago. It was probably, I think, like $28 to $30, something like that. I know right now they are having an Easter sale, so it's like 25% off versus the normal 22% off that they give you. Again, overnight shipping. If you're in New York, it's overnight shipping because they are based out of Hempstead, New York. If you're in California, it may take a little bit longer. I don't know, but you should definitely check that out. It's free shipping over $48. I am not getting paid by wigtypes.com. They are not sending me anything. The only thing they sent me was a magazine. I'm just telling you, you know, I'm very conscious of every dollar that I spend because I have a kid in college and I have bills to pay on my own until a sugar daddy finds me, or I win the lottery, or, you know, I get a promotion at work. One or the other, whichever comes first, I'll take it. But I'm very conscious of every dollar that I spend, and if I can pass on to you any knowledge that I have in terms of saving or finding a better discount, I certainly will. So anyways, that is the wig. Wigtypes.com, model, Alpine is the wig. OM99J is the color, and if you like it, you know what I say. What you waiting for? Go get you one.